Today on Pure Octane Garage, covering your seat, not covering your beep.
Welcome to Pure Octane Garage. I'm Ryan.
Brandon over here, and we're going to bring you some detailing information
and other automotive goodness today.
Other automotive goodness.
It is. And this is another quick one, guys. So yeah, today I thought, I've got these quick, easy to use seat covers that you use
to cover your seat.
Like
keep stuff off of them. You want to know what it says? That's my favorite thing on here. Sweat happens.
Oh my gosh, it does say that.
Sweat happens right on there. And that's true, right?
So yeah, anyways,
you don't
seriously,
want that seeping into your seat.
The quick seat covers, I like the idea of like on a road trip, where you may be eating in the car, where you're normally not eating in your car. This can kind of help.
Has to happen sometimes.
Help keep the seat clean, or you go to the beach or the
sand.
Now this one is, they did list
really
beach, but like if you're at the gym, you're all gross and sweaty.
Hopefully you're sweating at the gym. It means
sweat happens.
But the beach thing that worries me is crotch sand. Ugh. Sorry, I went there.
Gets into places and it's so uncomfortable, right? Anyway, you don't want any of that
in the vehicle
crud on your vehicle, on your seat. So
this, what this material kind of reminds me of a towel.
Yeah,
but it's better than just throwing a towel. We could all just throw a towel in there. This looks like it'll clip on and hold. I think that's the magic of this, right?
Exactly. You drape it over the seat, clip it, and it holds.
It installs in seconds, it says. We'll see if it installs in seconds. Want to put it to the test?
Installs in seconds, fits all car makes and models, wicks sweat and moisture away from your car seat, engineered to track the contours of your car seat.
It hugs your car seat.
Wow.
And you can roll
Rolls up for easy storage.
Roll up.
And it's machine washable.
So I was thinking we'd test fit this so we don't look stupid on camera, but because it says it installs in seconds, we're putting you to the test, Ryan. You're going to try to install it in seconds.
Again, we have not installed these yet. I had a different set for my car, but machine washable car seat cover.
All right, let's go install it.
Sweat
see
happens.
What it looks like.
This is silly.
Sweat happens.
Well, we're going to put it to the test.
We're good. We're live.
All right, so installs in seconds, huh? I guess we'll find out here.
Does it come out of the package in seconds?
In seconds? Well, look at that.
Okay, yes, it does.
All right, so happy seat. You gotta. Well, okay. So far, it's taking me multiple seconds, but I feel good about this, Brandon.
Okay,
I do.
You feel good.
I'm just So we've got. Ooh.
How the clips work?
The back side is grippy.
Ooh, check that out.
Look, so it's not going to slide around on your seat. That is awesome. And then there are these just your standard clips.
I said clip around your headrest.
Yeah, easy for you to say. So according to the packaging here, I don't know if you'll be able to see this, guys.
Okay,
I need to reach in front here
I can come around. Watch your head. I'm behind you.
So I believe we just put it here like this. Okay, the clock is running. Not really. But,
okay, that's pretty easy.
Weird. I didn't expect the grippy part.
So that's the hugs the contours, I guess, right?
Here, yeah. Again, this is freshly. Woo! It's so grippy. I like it. It's not gonna. I've got another set of seat towels. They always slid around. I gotta say, this is.
I'm gonna tell you that's the secret sauce is the grippy seat.
Oh my gosh! Look at this. Perfect.
The towel just falls off, especially on leather.
I mean, it's here. Look. I'm.
I'll come in.
Yeah.
Nice.
I can't. Yeah, and that is brilliant.
And guys, you can't get better than the Happy Face E.
This is the best part right here. That Happy E.
All right. Hey, I think we can wrap that up. That's a win product, I'd say.
Another quick one, guys. Thanks so much for joining us. We appreciate each and every one of you guys. And we'll see you in the next video. The sun is really bright, so
you have
I
a very
apologize.
bright face. All right. Later, guys.
Yeah. Thank you. Bonus tip. These are great for those hot leather seats, so you're not sitting on burning hot leather.
Yeah. Summertime, you throw those in.
Because this car's been sitting in the sun, guys. This is super hot. This is, oh gosh, way cooler.
It's always going to be cooler, no matter how long it sits.
So, yeah.
Bonus tip.
Catch you in the next one.
Happy seat.
Hey, Brandon.
Yeah?
This is for your seat.